Hello and good morning. Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Thursday, March 21st, 2024, third day of spring. However, it doesn't feel like spring this morning. It's 8:30, by the way. It's overcast skies, although I'm seeing some flakes flying around. So I might say, there you go, very light flurries. Oh, I just started. That's good. Temperature, as I said, it feels like winter. It's negative 5.2 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 1023.6 millibars, and the air quality is low at 0.5 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, well, you're in for a treat this morning because for the first time, I'm going to be showing you how to do a multi-day precipitation reading. So what I mean by that is, let's say for example, you're not able to enter your daily report for any reason. CoCoRaHS, the organization where I provide my precipitation reports, allow weather observers to continue reporting if you're not able to do your daily report, which means you can resume your reporting whenever you can again. So in my case, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 2-day precipitation reading. So in the past 2 days, our area, which is in the lower Great Lakes, we've had snow events, which means we've had snow 2 days ago from this low pressure system that passed by the lower Great Lakes region. And then yesterday, when the wind shifted, we had these snow squalls that came in from the lake. And snow is a very tricky to measure actually, because especially when the temperature is close to freezing, the snow could compress or sometimes would melt right away. So what I've done in any snow event is you actually take measurements right after the snowfall event. So for me, I took multiple measurements in the past 2 days, shortly after the snow event occurred. And I actually have 2 snowboards at the front of the house. And from there, I measured a total of 0.8 centimeters of snow. By the way, if you're curious, how does my 2 snowboards look like? I actually posted a picture of my 2 snowboards at the front of the house in my X or Twitter account at I am laser. So check that out. So that's the snowfall. And as I mentioned, the temperature were just hovering above the freezing mark. So most of the snow have melted, as you can see here. However, we had some traces of snow, so I will enter that in the report as well, that during my reporting this morning, we had some traces of snow, and the snow actually melted since then, and the temperature dropped below freezing overnight, and that changed the liquid precipitation into ice. So let's check how much we have in the precipitation gauge. So the snow melted into water and then it became ice last night, and it actually shows 1.4, but as you know, water expands and turns into ice. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring this inside the house, warm it up a bit, just enough for the ice to melt into water, and then the actual measurement, I will be entering that in the total precipitation. Hopefully it's not too far from the 1.4 that I'm seeing right now. Anyways, that's the process. You basically take account of all the precipitation types, accumulation if it's snow, and then if you got the liquid precipitation, you just enter that at the time of your observation when you resume your reading. There you go. That's how you do a multi-day precipitation reading. And all those information will be entered in the CoCoRaHS website under station ID CANWARN646. Well, friends, have a great spring day wherever you are. If you're in Southern Ontario, you may want to keep your winter jacket or outfit because it's cold today. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Take care.